Now, before I start this video on this case unboxing, I have a question for you guys. What are the significant references between these cars? What is the difference between these cars? If you get it correct, I'll give you a free shout out in the next video. So yeah, let's start off with the unboxing. When was the last time these characters got released? Let me know in the comments below, because it's been quite a long time. Anyways, we're going to be doing a case unboxing of the drive-in characters made in Vietnam. So yep, there's 8 in this case. So hope you guys are excited. I've still got like 10 videos to record, and I'm already tired for today. So I might have to record them all tomorrow. But yeah, this case of cars hasn't been released, or cars in this case hasn't been released in quite a long time. So yeah, I got this case from Getmecollectibles, of course, like everyone pretty much does. Of course, if you watch this long, that's where I get them from. So yeah, let's start off this unboxing. Of course, I have already opened it up just to save that bit of extra time. So yep, as you can see, there are some pretty cool cars in here. Let's start off with this side. Of course, this is going to be a bit hard, as usual, as it is. So here, we've got 2 Buzz Lightyears. Now, this will be the only one I'll be doing an unboxing and review on, because it's the only one you get 2 of in this case. Now, let's put this Buzz aside quickly. Of course, let's take a look at the packaging, and of course I won't go over it that quick because I've got to do a review. So of course we've got the car in here, and for comparison I've got a Sheldon shifter here, which should be one of my reviews coming soon. The packaging is that bit wider, as you might be able to see. You can see the difference in the packaging. It is thicker, so don't know how they're going to put that onto the shelves. And well, yeah, this is a cool release. Of course, we've got the picture of the car up here. Of course, the artwork. Of course, drive in there, and of course, driving in, I believe, a different language. Pixar logo. So yeah, that is pretty cool. Not only are they pretty cool, like I started at the beginning, we've got all these other releases. We've got every single one of these cars in this case, so that is pretty cool. Yeah, and of course, made in Vietnam. So pretty cool. So I'm going to put Buzz over here. Of course, we've got the second one. Up next, we'll continue on this side. This is pretty cool. We're still on Toy Story now. We've got Woody. Pretty cool. I mean, I do like Woody. One of my favourite releases. Used to be rare, but now that he's been released, it's pretty cool. And another thing I just noticed, we've got pictures of the US townies at the top, with Lizzie, Luigi and Guido. As you can see, Luigi, Guido. That's pretty cool. Up next, it should be Hamm, but it's not. So I don't know why they put P.T Flea on this side. But yeah, here is P.T Flea. He is part of, I believe it was A Bug's Life, which is also made by Pixar. So pretty cool. I do like P.T Flea. So yeah, there's P.T Flea. Up next, oh, I do love this short. Not short, this movie, I should say. It's getting hard to come out. Here is Mike. Of course, pretty cool. And let's actually, whilst we're here, bring out Sulley. These guys used to be in a 2-pack, I believe, in 2015 or 16, and they were the last ones to get released before they were discontinued, and then Vietnam decided to release these. Of course, Sulley is well worth the money, but look how small Mike is. He hardly fits that package. I mean, yeah, I mean, they are, I think they are dearer, so I mean, if you're a collector and you want to collect them in the packaging, go for it. But if you're opening them, he's not worth the usual $5 or the £10 or whatever, how much the UK stores are selling for. But Sulley is. Sulley's massive. He just about fits in the package. We got 2 more. We also got Hamm, which I really love. He's my favourite in this case. The only reason why because he's like a piggy bank, and he is, in Toy Story, he is a piggy bank. And the cool thing with Pixar, they even put the little coin thing in. Now, they've made it small enough, just so then you can't fit any type of coin in there at all. So no coins whatsoever can fit inside Hamm. So that is pretty cool. Very nice. Last but not least, you probably know who it is. Chuck this box on the floor. Sorry about this background, it is a bit boring, but when I do unboxings, it's going to be like this. Yeah, here is Flick. Again, pretty small die cast, but I don't actually have a Flick open. So what I could do is I could open this one, or I could open the one that I've got from China, which I might do. But yeah, we've got the nice little cool antennas there. Just Flick. You like that mean. There's the back, pretty much the same. The only thing that changes will be the car on the back, I guess. But yeah, let's bring them all back now. Let's try and put them in their respective movies. So Mike and Sulley are the only ones from Monsters Inc. We'll put those right at the back then. Take a look whilst I get the other ones. We got P.T Flea and Flick. Trying to fit them in. And of course my favourite short or movie of them all is Toy Story. Shout out to Piston Cup Productions. I think he was one of the first people to find Buzz Lightyear, but none of the others were found. So yeah, if you're new, please make sure to leave a like, dislike if you dislike. My first review on these will be Buzz, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Until the next one, bye guys.